Jake? What you got there?
Just a little bread.
Please tell me you're not feeding the seagulls again. I'm telling you, Jake, this is the last. Yikes.
Really sorry, Uncle Charlie.
I don't want to talk to you right now. Hello, do you have a department of animal control or bird abatement? I have a seagull problem. Seagull? Thank you, I'll hold.
I didn't know there'd be so many.
I told you, don't feed the damn things. I told you, don't leave the windows open. Yeah, hi, who's this? Phyllis Seagull. No, Phyllis, I wanted to talk to somebody about seagulls. I got a flock of seagulls in my house. No, I don't know whatever happened to them.
I'm really sorry.
We had an agreement, Jake, and you broke it. Look, I need somebody who can come over with a net or something. Sure, I'll hold. Hello? Who's this? Annette. Look, I got a room filled with seagulls. No. Hi, Phyllis.